Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to connect Phantom Wallet support. Phantom Wallet support. So guys, the first thing that you actually need to do is go to the App Store and download the Phantom Wallet application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. If guys you do not have one, you can always go and create a wallet here. But guys, if you do not know how to do both of these things, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how-to videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the account where you can receive, buy, and send tokens. You can also manage your token list here. Also, we have your collectibles where you can go and search for them. So at the moment, I don't have any. But be sure when you have some, they'll appear here. You can swap tokens by clicking here. As you can see, you can swap the positions if you want. Here we have recent activity where I don't again have any, but guys, be sure when you have some, they will of course again appear here. Here we have the sites, tokens, quests, and the alert option. So here we can go and search or type a URL if of course you want to do that, of course. Here, of course, again, we have the manage accounts, preferences, security and privacy, active networks, address book, connected apps, developer settings. We have the help and support and about Phantom. But now guys, let's see how to connect Phantom Wallet support. It is pretty simple. Contact Phantom Wallet support. It is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps. So basically, when you're on the main page, you want to go and click on the top left corner here on the scroll, and then you just need to go scroll down, and the one before the last thing is help support. Click there and it will get you to the help.phantom.app where you can go and see everything about the support. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.